The Cortez SE brings a fresh twist to a Nike classic first launched in 1972 as the brand's debut running shoe. Rooted in West Coast culture and made iconic by its appearance in Forrest Gump, the Cortez has remained a streetwear staple for decades. This SE edition honors that legacy with modern updates and thoughtful design choices. A soft, denim-like light blue upper blends various textures for a vintage yet polished look, while pale green accents on the swoosh and heel tab add a spring-ready touch. The included brown, patterned laces offer a playful alternative to the standard white, giving wearers room to personalize their style. Subtle Nike branding keeps the aesthetic clean and minimal. The signature wedge midsole delivers lasting comfort and support, and the herringbone outsole ensures grip and durability. Timeless yet current, the Cortez SE is a refined evolution of a sneaker icon.